Hey everyone, you look amazing today, and today I'm going to show you a platform that will pay you for watching movies, playing video games, or even reading comics. And yes, all of that can be done on the comfort of your bed, so I guess it shouldn't be that hard. So grab your phone or laptop, relax, watch a movie or play a game, read a comic, and go to this website. It doesn't pay a lot, just $15 per each completed. But it's still very easy and goes pretty fast. And yes, it works worldwide. And I said earlier, this website won't pay you that much, but if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make more money by leveraging another platform, another absolutely free website. That way you'll be able to make more money by watching videos from your computer, laptop, or smartphone device. And congratulations to Jason McDermott who won this $1,000 giveaway from my last video. And guys, let me know down in the comment section how many movies have you watched, how many games have you played, and leave a like to this video, subscribe to my channel with all notifications on, and enter the contest to win this $1,000 giveaway. So let's start the tutorial. So the main platform that will pay us for watching videos today is Animation Arena. This is already animationarena.com. This is a website where you can find different reviews on different movies, different video games, or even different comics. So people are leaving their feedback on this particular forum, or you can call it a blog. And there's one interesting section, and there's one interesting thing about this website is that it actually pays you after you watch a movie, after you play a game, or after you read a comic. And that's what we'll be using. We'll be using that feature to make $15 again and again. And a really cool thing is that you don't need to invest any money. You don't need any kind of a skill or experience to do this, and they accept people from any country in the world. And basically, to get paid per each movie you watch, all you have to do is to go over to animationarena.com/arena-writer. And considering the fact that it's really hard to find that feature on animationarena.com directly, I'll either give you the link to it in the description down below, or you can go over to Google and search for Animation Arena Get Paid to Write, and you should open up this page right here. Now don't worry, you don't need any writing skills for this, but you just need to give an opinion about the movie you just watched, or the game you just played, or the comic you recently read. So you can watch a movie you prefer and give them an honest review. Tell them what you think about that particular movie and earn $15. And it says get paid to write video game, comic book, and movie reviews. The pay is $15 per review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. So here you can write a maximum of 10 reviews per month, but these using only one email. If you sign up with multiple accounts, you can obviously send more reviews and make more money. But when you just complete 10 reviews per month, that's an extra $150 for just watching movies, playing games, or even reading comics. Those are the things that we do in our day-to-day life, guys. We all love doing them. I mean, you can even remember the movies you watched in the past and the games you played in the past, right? Well, I'm not a good reader, but you may have read comics before, right? So you can review those in Animation Arena and get paid. So these are the basic rules of making money with Animation Arena. No professional experience necessary, and these reviews are casual, so no technical writing here, guys. Each review will need to be a minimum of 550 words long and must be original, no plagiarism. That's why I told you to give you an honest opinion. And at the end of each review, please rate material on a scale of 1 to 10. So you can't copy anyone's reviews here. You have to give your honest thoughts of the comic book or the video game or the movie. So you can write a review and send to arenamaster@animationarena.com with the subject of writing for Animation Arena 2011. And please answer the following questions within your email. But guys, in this case, they change this pretty often, and it's probably gonna be a little bit different from time to time. So just submit your reviews and you have a chance to make $15 again and again for each and every review you submit. And this will more likely be a side hustle for you guys. And for a better and a modern way of making money online by watching videos, you can go to Cashkick.com. It's already Cashkick.com. They say cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you are already doing online. What are the fun things? Watching videos, surfing the web. Guys, you can get paid to surf the web. They even pay for answering surveys and for some offers. We are here to watch videos, so you can watch videos and surf the web on this additional platform I wanted to share with you guys to maximize your earnings. And this is the best part. I know most of you like PayPal money, getting paid via PayPal. You get paid directly to your PayPal, guys. Will deposit your earnings into your PayPal account. Their platform is free. They'll never charge you for anything, and they'll always ask your consent before depositing funds. They have some other payment options as well. And then if you scroll down, you can see it's easy as 1, 2, 3, find and complete your mission. You can complete as many as you like. There's no limit. Watch the earnings grow in your account. You can just open up some videos, sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your mission. And you can cash out early, easily and often. They offer the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and they deposit your money quickly, securely and conveniently, starting at just $5 at a time. So the minimum payout threshold is $5, not $100 or $500, guys. And if you scroll down here, how does it work? So you also might get this question. So companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. You just need a few minutes and an internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. And guys, you can read these testimonials out here, and in order to get started, give your email address and choose a password and start this right now. And guys, I want you to know that this won't make you rich. And if you want to know how to set up an online business from wherever you are and start making thousands of dollars in pure passive income, make sure you watch this video. I'll pin the link of this video in the comment section below, guys. So I hope you really got some value out of this video. Make sure you comment down below, like this video and subscribe to Cashgi with notifications on to enter the $1,000 giveaway contest. Thanks for watching.